Hello and welcome to Garage Life TV. Today we're going to be replacing the headlight on a second generation Toyota Prius. We've got the car that we're working on right here. This is my buddy Jonathan's Prius. If you want to say hello, John.
What's up, Internet?
For this job, we are going to need a light bulb, code number 9003, that's 9003, and a screwdriver with a Phillips head attachment, as well as a flathead attachment, or just two different screwdrivers if that's what you got. So the driver's side headlight looks pretty easy to access. You can just reach down there and feel the clip on the end. The passenger side has this little air dam bit in the way, so we've just got to pull this cowl up so that we can access the little clip that's holding that on. So this is where your Phillips head screwdriver comes in handy. These little clips work by, you screw it out a little bit, and then once it's screwed out a little bit, you need to use like a flathead or a pry tool to pull it the rest of the way out. It helps if you lift up on the cowl as you're unscrewing. Okay. Once you've got it unscrewed some, then you can get in there with a little pry action. Not really gap. Because I think if I can, I'll just pop it.
I just want to see because I think it can be as simple as. Oops, that might have been too much force.
One way of doing it. So that's one way of doing it. Make sure to put them somewhere you don't forget, even if that's just a buddy's hand.
Maybe he can.
So now, underneath this cowl here, there is a clip holding this little air dam thing that's blocking our way in place. This clip you just get under with a pry tool of some sort. Now with the air dam removed from right here, you can reach down and access the plug. Okay. Give that plug a little yank. It's got some little pinch clips on the side that you grab onto while you yank on it. So there should be a little rubber boot down in here. It is around the outside of the light. Go ahead and pull on that around the outside to remove it. So once you remove this rubber boot, there's a little metal clip that you're going to push in and upward. Then you're going to be able to fold that metal clip back. You can see the tip of it right here. That's what we pushed in and upward. And that's what holds the bulb into the housing. Now you take your new headlight bulb and with the uneven prong sticking upward, reach around, make sure that it is behind those little metal clips, and then rotate it up into the housing. Now there's a little tab on there that will make sure that it is rotated the right direction, so that way it's nice and upright. And then you rotate that little metal clip back around to the back, push it in, up, and down. Down gets it in the lock position, and you'll feel it give you resistance if you try and pull it back out to know that your headlight's in there nice and good. Now you grab that plug plug her back in. So, in our case, the rubber boot came off of this little plastic ring that holds it on. It was already coming off when we were changing the light bulb, so it was easiest just to pull it off. But to get it back on properly, you want to make sure that this rubber gasket seats around this plastic lip nice and securely and evenly on all sides. On the back of this little rubber boot, you'll see a nice sign that says top, and twist to the left to open, and twist to the right or clockwise to lock. So we're gonna line it up, top side up. Push it on there till it fits in the grooves, and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Once it's locked into place, give it a yank to make sure it's on there nice and tight, so that way you're not going to get any water in your headlight. Never a good thing. And stick the end of the light bulb through the little hole in the back of the boot. Okay. Now, just plug that light bulb in. You put this little air duct back into place. So now we put the little clip that holds the air dam back in place, or the air duct back in place. Clip the cowl back in place. Now that we have everything clipped back together, we are good to go. Yeah. And that is how you change the headlight on a second generation Toyota Prius.
With it being super dirty, it makes it so much stupider.
We need higher frame rate.
Got tequila in my cup, got that white girl in my sleeve. She forgot about her blood. She just thought about her freak. I'm just thought about to come. Only real ones in my seat. Only real ones in my. Tell that. Only real ones in my. Killer white. Everybody in the room get down. You're fucking with the real one now. Killer white. Everybody in the room get down. You're fucking with the real one now. Killer white. Everybody in the room.
What's up, internet? Deal with it.
You're fucking with the real one now. Killer white. Everybody in the room get down. You're fucking with the real one now. Killer white. Yeah. All my healers got the plug. All my dealers got the fee. All my dreamers got the love. All my beaners got it free. All my scene is about to buzz. I'm like Mac Dre with the D. Push that snowball as you rolling. I might be. I just came out here to fuck. I've been trying not to cuss. I've been trying not to buzz. Haven't had a lot of luck. I just do it on the side. I just do it all the time. Only like you in the mind. Tell the help I'm doing fine. Tell the help I'm doing fine. Killer white.